Good afternoon, everyone. Continuing Tagalog affixes in this video, and for today, let's have in. In is used as an, and that's a. First, let's have examples of in being used as a suffix in forming imperative verbs. You know, if you want to tell someone what to do, giving command, or utos, and how do you do that? Root verb plus in. Halimbawa, ang root verb natin ay kain. So, kain plus in, kainin, kainin. Kainin mo to. Kainin mo yan. Kainin mo to. Kainin mo yan. In is also used in forming the future tense of an in verb. Halimbawa ay kakainin. Kakainin. The first syllable of the root is repeated plus in. So we have, ang root verb natin ay kain. So, ulitin natin yung first syllable ng root, ka. Ka. Plus root, kain, plus in, ka, kain, in, kakainin, kakainin. Let's have another halimbawa, and this time, a root verb ending in a vowel, letter O, halo, halo. Kapag ang last letter ng root verb ay nagtatapos sa vowel, letter O is changed to letter U, and then plus in. Haluin, haluin. Haluin mo yan, haluin mo yan, haluin mo yan. Haluin mo ang kanin, haluin mo ang ulam. Luto. So that's letter O. Again, change the letter O to letter U plus the suffix in. Lutuin. Lutuin. So, if you want to, let's say you defrosted something, let's say isda, and you want your wife to cook it, or you want to tell your wife to cook it, lutuin mo. Lutuin mo. Lutuin mo ang dinifrost kong milkfish. Lutuin mo ang dinifrost kong milkfish. And before we go to in being used as an infix, I just want to add that you can't just attach the suffix in to any root verb to form a command or utos, because there's a lot of other Tagalog affixes being used. So now let's go to affix in being used as an infix. In is used as an infix in forming the present tense and the past tense of an in verb. Halimbawa, kinakain. Kinakain. So, present tense yan ng kain, in verb, at past tense, kinain. So, how do you form the present tense? To form the present tense of an in verb, again, repeat the first syllable of the root. Ang root natin ay kain. So, ulitin natin yung first syllable, which is ka. Ka. So, ka plus the root, kain. So, we have kakain. So, what we gotta do next is separate or make space between the first consonant and the first vowel. So, let's separate letter K and the letter A. And then, let's put the infix in. So now we have kinakain. Kinakain. In forming the past tense, it's just the root, kain. So we have the root, kain. Now, let's separate the first consonant, letter K, and again, the vowel, letter A. So, let's separate the two make a space. Now we have a space. Let's put in between letter K and letter A. So now we have the past tense, kinain. Kinain. Now we're done using the affix in as a suffix and as an infix. Now let's have an example of a root verb starting in a vowel. If a root verb starts in a vowel, halimbawa ay ayos. Ayos. When forming the present tense and the past tense of an verb, the infix in becomes a prefix. Example ay inaayos. Present tense, inaayos. Past tense, inayos. To form the present tense, let's write down in. So now, in is a prefix, in, and then repeat the first syllable of the root, a plus the root, ayos. So we have inaayos, inaayos. Halimbawa, inaayos ko ang lamesa, inaayos ko ang lamesa, or I'm fixing the table. I'm fixing the table, inaayos ko ang lamesa, or inaayos ko ang upuan. With the past tense, let's write down the prefix in plus the root, inayos, inayos. Inayos ko ang upuan, or inayos ko ang lamesa. Inayos ko ang lamesa. So we're done talking about affix in being used in forming tenses of verbs. Now let's talk about something else. It's getting dark. Hurry up. Hurry up, LT. Magandang hapon. It's another day. Let's continue. Used as a suffix with a noun, it indicates that the word it is attached to is done frequently or that it happens often. I can't think of any other way to explain it a little bit better. So, let's just have examples. Para sa ating unang halimbawa, ang word natin ay sipon. Sipon is the common cold. First, let's change letter O to letter U plus the last letter of the word, letter N, which is a consonant, plus in. So, we have sipunin. Sipunin. Sipunin is someone who catches cold very easily. Sipunin. Para sa ating pangalawang halimbawa, ang word natin ay iyak. Iyak. So, iyak plus suffix in, we have iyakin. Iyakin. Iyakin is someone who sheds tears easily, or someone who will cry over the smallest thing. If you are iyakin, ang tawag nila sa'yo sa Ingles ay cry baby. For our third and last example, that person who is always sleepy or sleeping, antukin. Antukin. Our root word is antok, just like sipon. Let's change letter O to letter U, and then the last letter of the word, which is a consonant, letter K, plus in. So we have antukin. Antukin. Sa English, they would call you a sleepyhead. That's about it. That's all for our in affix video. Until next time, babush! Continuing Tagalog affixes. Oh my goodness, Hiro is making kahol. Hiroko! Yung maingay.
Look at the mirror, baby. Look at the mirror. Baby. Look at the mirror, baby. Oh, yeah.